it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got a Superdrug order. Okay, so yes, I've got a Superdrug haul to go through with you guys. It's always a super exciting time, a Superdrug haul. I do one every month around about payday. This month's no exception, even though it is Christmas and I probably shouldn't be buying myself as much stuff. Okay, so the very first thing I want to say about my Superdrug order is, for some reason, it came in 2 boxes. This one came the day before this one. However, I was actually gutted when I got this because I thought it was my Superdrug order and I was desperate for foundation. This is what was in it when I opened it up. Literally, this tiny little bottle of micellar water was actually a freebie with a little bit of packaging, and this entire box, which could have fit like 100 of them in. There's absolutely no reason that this couldn't have gone in that box. I genuinely don't know why they decided to send this in there. It's bizarre. Yeah, I mean, even if it's like it got forgotten or something, I don't know. It's like you'd put it in such a smaller packaging if you'd have had to put it in. I just can't believe the size difference is... It just baffles me. Yeah, so I have no idea why this wasn't put in that, in the other parcel with everything else. This, I think, when I've looked online, was sent the day before the rest of it. So I don't know why they felt the need to get this to me sooner. I don't know. Anyway, let's go through the haul, including that little micellar that we'll just forget I showed you for now. So my main reason for doing a Superdrug haul this month was basically I needed to top up on some of my favourite items. I was desperately low on foundation and my primer was running low, and so was my setting spray. It just so happens it's all come around this Christmassy period. Okay, so Superdrug had their 3 for 2 on cosmetics on, so I took advantage of that and I got myself 6 things, and yes, they are all for myself. And I know I should be Christmas shopping, but like I said, I did need some bits and bobs. So let's start with the foundation. It's a staple in my Superdrug hauls. You know I talk about this often. It's the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation, and I absolutely love this. Like I said, ran out of my colour in it, which is F4 at the moment I'm using. I had an F5 and I had a F3, and I just couldn't quite make it an F4, basically. So I'm really, really glad to have this back in my life. This is £9 and worth every penny. It lasts a good old while, really. This will last me through till probably January now. Also then, to go with this, I got the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the supersize edition, which is 3 times the size of the regular version, and it's only £7. The regular version is £4, so it should really be £12. But love this stuff. I got this in a C4, so it'll complement the F4 really well. I used to go a shade down, but I think I prefer matchy these days. So I love these guys. You know I talk about these often, so I'll shut up. Next then, from Revolution, I also got a Matte Fix Oil Control Setting Spray, which I think used to be known as the Pro Fix Setting Spray. I just really like this stuff. It costs £5, and to be honest, I found it better than even the Urban Decay All Nighter. I will be honest. I wasn't blown away by that. Maybe I got a dodgy bottle, who knows, but I just genuinely prefer this stuff, and it's a £5. And obviously 3 for 2 makes it a little bit cheaper. So I really like this stuff. You know I rate Revolution really highly. So yeah, definitely worth a try that one. Okay, the next thing that I got, and I'm not going to really show you it too much because I'm not supposed to look at it too much either. I got the Roxy palette, and I got the Ride or Die one. I liked the colours in that. I've swatched it at a Superdrug before and was so impressed with it. And this was on the Star Buys for £7, but it's still counted as part of the 3 for 2, so it's absolutely amazing. Chris is going to get me this for Christmas, so I'm not going to open it up and I'm not going to have a look at it. So sorry you guys, I'm sure there's plenty of other videos out there, and I'll do a swatching video of it after Christmas. So don't tell Chris I showed you. Okay, the next thing that I got then, well, it's not Revolution. Holy crap. Yeah, I went for the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've heard so many good things about this, like a lot of good things. And then I was in my local Superdrug maybe like a month or so ago, and I actually got to try the tester on my hand. And it wasn't at all what I thought it was going to be. And it just went on really, really nicely, super smooth, and it just felt really, really nice. So I thought I wanted to try this. This I think was £9. I don't have the information on me, but I think it was £9. And I think Revolution have actually just brought out a kind of dupe for this, but I wanted to try, you know, was it £8 this actually? Sorry, I wanted to try the original first, really, and I am so excited to try it on my face because, like I said, I've only tested it on my hand. Let me know if you want me to do a little review, or maybe I'll pop a little deaf video on Instagram or something and let you know what I think of this, because I'm really excited to try it. Okay, then the last thing that I got on the 3 for 2s was this 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc serum. I really love this. You know, I've talked about this again before. It helps reduce the look of blemishes and pores and helps soothe and calm dry skin. I just find that my skin is really nice when I'm using this, and I do find that my pores and breakouts are a little bit better. So I really like it. It's £5.99, and I'm on, I think, my second bottle of it at the moment, which is running low, so this will be my third bottle. Yeah, and I really like it. So this will be going into my skincare rotation. I did do a video about my evening skincare routine. I'll link that for you down below, or I'll pop it at the end of the video, and check that out if you want to know what I do for my skincare. Okay then, because we got a 3 for 2 on cosmetics, you got a freebie micellar water, and it is just a little one. It's a perfect little travel size. It's 25 mils. Great for if you're going away for a couple of nights, if you're away for the weekend or something, just to pop in your bag. And for free, guys, can't complain. I've actually tried the full size of this micellar water, and it is actually really, really good. So I'm happy with a little freebie. Although I don't think it needed its own box. I mean, diva much. Okay then, the very last thing that I have to show you, I got free again because I spent £20 on Revolution products. I got a free palette, and it's the You Are the Revolution palette. I'll be honest, I haven't really had a good look at this. I don't know if I'll keep it myself or if I'll pop it in a giveaway, to be fair, because I have a lot of palettes that really I need to use. But let's see what it looks like. And hopefully if it does go in a giveaway, you won't mind me having a little sneak peek. I mean, to be honest, chances are I'll keep it because it's me. Let's see then. Ooh, oh yeah, I may keep this. So we have in there some absolutely beautiful colours. Look at them. They're quite neutral, so it's perfect for this time of year. And there are a lot of metallics. In fact, I don't think there's a matte shade in there. Oh, wow. So we've got like beautiful, like goldy, champagne-y, bronzy colours. And then like some cooler toned taupey browns and like some, oh wow, just beautiful. For free. Wow. You Are the Revolution. I think that they started doing these as like a promotion for hitting so many followers or something. So amazing. Revolution, you know I love you. Thank you so much for the freebie. Yeah, I think that I'll be keeping that. So super happy. I think I got some great stuff. Like I said, 3 for 2. And then 2 other freebies. So really, 4 freebies in this shop. Incredible. So, I'm really happy with this month's Superdrug haul. If you guys have enjoyed, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And drop me any comments, let me know about any of the products, or you know, if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. It's nice to chat to you guys. And if you could make sure you hit that subscribe button as well, because it'd be fantastic to have you here. So until my next video then, I will see you very, very soon. Goodbye.